Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you wondering which type of digital marketing is in high demand going forward in 2025 and beyond? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. The answer to this will shock you. So stick around to the very end of this video because I actually have an exciting bonus for you as well. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm a single mother of two children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa. I'm currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. And I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money and never being able to catch up with either one of those two. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was stressed. I was frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on a hamster wheel going round and round in circles, living from paycheck to paycheck. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time. So back in July 2024, I came across a proven step-by-step blueprint that showed me how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I didn't have to bother my family and friends anymore. And what I love about this program is even though it was a one-time payment, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners. Now, if you're wondering what type of digital marketing is in demand, first of all, let's break down exactly what digital marketing is. It's simply marketing your product or service online, okay? So it could be a physical product or a digital program. It doesn't matter, an offline business or online business. But the point is that you're going away from the traditional methods of bothering your family and friends, approaching strangers, business cards, meetings, and all that. You're getting away from that, and you're going to leverage the online, the digital space, which is online. Now, there's different types of social media, digital marketing that you can use, and social media is one of them, right? So you are on social media watching this video now. You could actually turn your social media platforms into lead generation machines. You could turn them into storefronts and actually have leads and sales coming from those social media platforms. So social media is one of the types of digital marketing. The other one is SEO, search engine optimization, where you can create content, whether it's video content like I am now, or you can do you can write blogs, text, articles, and you put use keywords to rank those articles, those videos. So when people search for certain terms, your content can come up, right? So the best way to do SEO is to actually offer solutions to problems that your target audience is looking for. So very, very powerful. And both social media and SEO are long-term methods that will keep working for you while you're sleeping and in the long run as well. So it's very, very powerful. And then content marketing is combined really with social media, even with SEO, is you have to create content on these platforms, right? So that you can actually connect with your target audience. Email marketing is huge. Email marketing has been around for forever, since the online space, and the money is in the list. Most successful businesses, marketers have a huge list of people who are interested in what they have, of customers, and the bigger the list, the more money they're making, right? So email marketing is one of them. And then pay-per-click. Pay-per-click is all about spending money on advertising, right? So every time your ad is clicked, you actually spend money. So you can use Google ads, Bing ads, YouTube, different ads that you use, Facebook, but it's paid, right? This is the paid method that we're using. So there's different types, influencer marketing and so on and so forth, right? But I did some research here. I'm going to share my screen with you. And I know that would you agree that the world is, we used to have a higher attention span than the goldfish, right? But now the goldfish has even more attention, can hold more attention than us, right? So attention span is going smaller and smaller. So what that means is that people don't have time. They just, we're living in an information age where they're bombarded with so much information. So most people are not focused. They're just kind of all over the place scrolling. So one of the things that has been trending, that has been going, is short form video, right? So going away from long videos like now, right? and doing short clips, like a minute clips. So different platforms have leveraged this. So you can, I think every social media platform has a short form content to it. Even LinkedIn has just introduced a short form, like reels aspect to it, because they know that this is in high demand. There's people who just want a minute, and short form video is a great way to actually to create brand awareness, right? And once you create brand awareness, when people get to know you through your short form video, then they can end up watching long form video like what I'm doing now, because it's hard to provide an education in just a minute. It's good for intriguing, getting curiosity and getting your brand out there. So short form video is so it's so in demand that all the social media platforms, so YouTube has YouTube Shorts, so Instagram has Reels, Facebook has Reels, LinkedIn has Reels, TikTok, right? So this is the trend that's going further, right? And you can actually get more views on these short form videos than you would on longer content, right? And now let's narrow down on that short form video. The number one that's trending, it's actually trending on Google Trends. That actually shocked me. I'm actually going to share my screen here and show you the proof of it, right? It's actually a type of short form video, because most people don't actually want to do what I'm doing. They don't want to show the face. And the solution to that is what's called faceless marketing. So I went to Google Trends and I searched digital marketing in the USA, because that's where my target audience is. So you can see the trend there, right? And then if I scroll down here, you can see the different countries. But look at this, right? So faceless digital marketing is up 4.8%, okay? Faceless digital marketing. And this Forbes article on digital marketing is trending as well. So this is the type that's in high demand, because as I said, most people do not want to share the face, don't want to show the face, and they don't have the time or the skills to actually do what I'm doing now. But what if they could just post content without having to show your face? So this is in high demand, people searching for this. And if you are interested in digital marketing and you're not ready to start showing your face and you want to learn how to do faceless marketing, you're in the right place at the right time, because I am part of this live interactive coaching and mentorship digital marketing program that actually teaches me, and I'm going to show you as a bonus, I'm going to show you how you can get access to faceless marketing bonuses, how to set up and create faceless content. However, when you're learning that, in the meantime, I have hundreds and hundreds of faceless content that you can actually use straight away, okay, as you're learning. And then once you learn, you can actually start to create your own. So you'll be shown how to set up your accounts. And let me just go ahead and share my screen again and share with you the bonuses that I have. So this is a program here. This is a program that I'm part of. And here there's your invisible empire, faceless marketing. So it's an ebook that shows you how to start a faceless account and grow your audience on social media. So this is a trend that's in high demand, and it goes hand in hand with this Canva crash course where you can actually learn how to create faceless content. And as I say to you, in the meantime, I will give you access to hundreds and hundreds of faceless content that you can start to use immediately, okay? So what I want you to do now is I want you to go ahead and click the link in the description to actually claim your free 10K in 30 days live interactive guide. And this guide will actually, it's a very powerful guide that will actually walk you through exactly how to earn 10K in 30 days, right? And if you want to actually get started with us, then I can give you access to those bonuses to learn first faceless marketing, and I can give you access to that done for you content that's ready for you to use. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.